In today's video, I'm going to teach you how do I add my Google contacts to existing HubSpot CRM. By the end, you'll have your Google address book flowing into HubSpot automatically, so your CRM stays up to date without manual imports. Start in your HubSpot CRM. Once you're logged in, look to the top right and click the Marketplace icon. From there, choose App Marketplace. This is where you'll find official integrations that connect HubSpot with the tools you already use. If you work in multiple HubSpot accounts, make sure you're in the correct one before you proceed so the sync lands in the right CRM. In the App Marketplace, use the search bar and type Google Contacts. Select the integration that's published by Google. Choosing the official listing helps ensure compatibility and ongoing support, which is important for something as central as your contacts. Next, connect the integration. Click Connect App. A Google sign-in window will open. Sign into the Google account that holds the contacts you want to sync, then review and allow the requested permissions. These permissions let the integration read, and if you choose, write contact data between Google and HubSpot. If you use more than one Google account, double check that you're authorizing the correct one to avoid syncing the wrong address book. After connecting, you'll configure the sync. First, choose the sync direction. One-way sync from Google to HubSpot will bring your Google contacts into HubSpot without sending changes back to Google. This is a safe choice if HubSpot is your reporting hub and you mainly manage contacts in Google. Two-way sync keeps both Google and HubSpot aligned, so changes in either place update the other. Pick this only if you're comfortable with edits going both directions and understand that it can overwrite fields in either system. Then decide which contacts to sync. You can typically sync all contacts or limit the sync to specific groups or labels from Google Contacts. Narrowing the scope is helpful if you want to keep personal or test entries out of your CRM and bring in only business-relevant contacts. When your preferences are set, turn on the sync. The initial import can take a few minutes or longer depending on the size of your address book. You can continue working while it runs. As contacts arrive, check your HubSpot contacts view to confirm they're appearing as expected. HubSpot generally identifies duplicates by email address, so having clean emails in Google helps keep your database tidy. That's it. Your contacts will now sync automatically, keeping HubSpot and Google aligned going forward.